In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an inventory item in Xero. This is a crucial skill for managing your business's stock efficiently, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to do it with ease. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to the Xero website. Once you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is essentially your home base, where you can oversee your business's financial activities. Next, locate and click on the Products and Services section. This is where you'll manage everything related to your company's offerings, both goods and services. It's a centralized place that helps you handle the details of your sales inventory. Once you're in the Products and Services section, look for the New Item button and click on it. This will open up a form or a new dialog box where you can enter details about the inventory item you want to add. Now begin by adding a unique code for your item. This code serves as a shorthand reference and makes it easy for you to identify the item quickly in the future. Think of it like a SKU or stock keeping unit, which is unique to each product. After that, type in the name of the inventory item. This should be clear and descriptive enough so anyone reviewing your list will understand what the item is at a glance. Now enter the cost price of the item. This is the amount it costs your business to purchase or produce the item. It's important to be accurate here because this figure will affect your profit calculations later on. Next, you'll need to specify the purchase account, which is where expenses related to purchasing this item will be tracked. Enter the relevant account here so that all transactions are clearly accounted for. Then enter the applicable tax rate for when you purchase the item. This ensures that your tax calculations are accurate and compliant with local regulations. Following this, you'll add a description of the item. This section allows you to include additional details that aren't covered by the item's name or code. It's a helpful space for more complex items or those that require a bit more explanation. Now it's time to set the sale price. This is how much you intend to sell the item for. Again, accuracy here will ensure that your sales figures and profit margins are correct. Similarly, enter the sales account, the account where revenue from this item's sales will be recorded. Then enter the tax rate for the sales transactions. Consistent tax settings help maintain compliance and ensure correct reporting. Finally, check the option to track the inventory item, a necessary step if you need to manage stock levels and have accurate figures in your reports. Once you've filled out all these details, click on the inventory option if it applies, and then move to save all your entries by clicking the Save button. Congratulations, you have successfully added a new inventory item to Xero. This will help you keep an organized record of your stock, ensuring your business runs smoothly.